Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service.
Tune TV Watch.
Each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather occurs. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular
I should probably turn these back on.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG.
Tune TV Watch.
For the following marine location, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical miles. Chance of thunderstorms.
That went off.
9 a.m. Showers likely to small craft. Advisory in effect through Thursday morning. Rest of today, east winds 20 to 25.
Alright, and Miami canceled their test for today. That's why I'm in here. Normally I'd be outside, but Miami canceled. They're gonna do it tomorrow. Hopefully I can get it tomorrow. Anyway, all three of these went off. The modded radio did not go off. Hopefully, I don't think they're gonna have a 6 o'clock test. We don't know. So anyway, if there is, I'll be sure to record it.